I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Uncanny Automator. Give here the Uncanny Automator webhook URL. To proceed, please navigate to the dashboard of Uncanny Automator. Add new. Choose recipe type. Now choose the trigger webhooks. Receive data from a webhook. To fetch the data, please copy the webhook URL and click Get Sample. Then paste the webhook URL on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Here are some advanced features of conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Uncanny Automator site. You can see that the data has been fetched successfully. Use these fields. Save it. Add an action. You can select the action you want to take. I have chosen MailerLite. Add a subscriber to a group. Now map the respective fields. Save it. Active the recipe. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to MailerLite Dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.